This is how we ended up. 25. What happens to the phone when we sprayed it?
It turned into snow.
Day one of learning how to polish. Yeah.
I put just a tiny bit more, bring this like right there. And then when you do the other side, bring it to like there.
Sorry, that happens sometimes.
It's spinning.
Uh-huh.
How far you're pulling it back. So this looks good. These you're going a little further, but honestly, it's just, everything looks good.
We're here at Home Depot. We just got the vacuum and we're about to pick a pressure washer to buy so we can go mobile detailing. Yeah, write it down? Yeah, for sure. You got any advice for anyone trying to make money?
It depends on how much money you're trying to make. If you're just trying to get started, get some cash in the door, I say pick a skill, stick with it. That could be a trade like Basil, we're doing some detailing. He's gonna learn how to tint, learn how to do some kind of trade. You could even do like welding or plumbing or something. That's probably the easiest way to start making, wash that first a little bit. That's probably the easiest way to get started and make money, but if you're trying to make like generational money, I'd say you gotta learn something with online business, whether it's drop shipping, not really drop shipping, but starting like an online store, some kind of business that's super scalable and can get you multiple hundreds of thousands a year, not just like 100 to 200,000 a year with an electrician or whatever it is.
Follow that advice, that's what I'm doing.
Frozen as fuck.
Dead ass?
Yeah, bro. Oh, I should have had them heated up. Oh my god. No, fuck it. Start on the Carrera first.
Okay.
One of us will vacuum, one of us will wipe down.
Sounds good. Oh yeah, Porsche 911 Carrera for every start. Oh yeah. First client, mobile detail. This is how we ended up.
It's 20 degrees out, I think. Hold on.
25.
Nice and warm.
I can't feel that pinch right there. I can't feel that. He's warming his hands up. The foam, we sprayed it on it. What happens to the foam when we sprayed it?
It turned into snow. Well, we thought it was going well, and then it turned to snow, and we were like, oh shit, it's frozen on there. We can't even rinse it off.
Oh my god. First mobile detail failure. Yeah.
Oh man.
What are we here trying?
Dave's Hot Chicken.
Dave's Hot Chicken.
Why are you recording? What is this, food vlog?
Yeah, deadass. Look at this shit. This looks immaculate.